This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, researchers find errors in Bing AI. Tesla finally agrees to open up its supercharging network to other EVs. The failure of Lufthansa's IT system causes mass cancellations, and more. Bing's new limited testing version employs OpenAI's large language model technology, which is also used by Google's competing tool Bard and OpenAI's ChatGPT AI chatbot. However, despite being trained on vast amounts of data, these technologies can still make errors and truly don't know the facts. Bing tries to mitigate these errors by grounding results with Microsoft's search technology and offering links to source documents. However, researchers have still found errors in Bing's demo, highlighting the difficulty of constructing human-readable sentences without drawing in inappropriate information. As AI continues to be developed and used in search engines, caution and careful evaluation of the results will be necessary. Tesla plans to open up its supercharging network to non-Tesla electric vehicles in the US. According to a White House fact sheet, the company will make 7,500 supercharger stations available to non-Tesla EVs by the end of 2024. These newly opened chargers will include at least 3,500 new and existing 250 kilowatt superchargers and an unspecified number of level 2 destination chargers at locations such as hotels and restaurants in urban and rural areas. Tesla's supercharging network will be accessible to anyone using the Tesla app or website. The company has been allowing non-Tesla EVs to use its supercharger plugs in several countries in Europe for months, but has been quiet about it when US charging stations will be available to non-Tesla EV owners. The bipartisan infrastructure law, which passed in 2021, allocates $7.5 billion to grow the EV charging infrastructure in the US. The White House says that further accelerating the build-out of a convenient, reliable charging network is critically important to make electric vehicles charging a seamless experience. Elon Musk, the CEO of Twitter, has stated that he may step down from his role by the end of 2023. Musk explained that he needed to stabilize the organization and make sure that it is financially healthy before leaving, adding that he plans to continue running Twitter's software and server teams after resigning from the CEO position. Musk's tenure has been marked by surprise rollouts of new policies, massive rounds of layoffs, and a significant drop in advertiser revenue. He has also been fixated on the popularity of his own post, firing an engineer who tried to explain why his tweets' impressions were declining. Despite his comments about leaving, Musk has a history of misestimating future plans. In other news, Lufthansa experienced an IT failure that caused the cancellation of more than 200 flights in Frankfurt and stranded thousands of passengers on Wednesday, February 15, 2023. The airline attributed the issue to botched railway engineering works that damaged broadband cables, which caused passenger check-in and boarding information to seize up, prompting government air traffic control to suspend incoming flights. Scores of flights were also delayed, and other airports reported cancellations as a knock-on effect. Passengers shared on social media that the company was using pen and paper to organize flight boarding as it was unable to digitally process passengers' luggage. Lufthansa's IT systems were later rebooting and flight departures resumed from Frankfurt. However, more than 1,300 flights were canceled and over 10,000 were delayed in the US in January due to a key government computer system breakdown. Finally, FTX, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, collapsed last year and now faces one of the biggest corporate bankruptcies in recent history, with an estimated initial shortfall of $8 billion. The exchange's customers lost billions of dollars in deposits, and there has been a global hunt to recover them. One of the world's largest banks, JP Chase, is holding $400 million in an interest-bearing account that FTX founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, invested in an obscure hedge fund, Modulo Capital. The hedge fund is now in negotiations with bankruptcy lawyers representing the exchange to return the funds. FTX is also seeking to recover $4.6 billion tied up in more than 300 companies that Bankman-Fried funded. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.